Hi, my name is Rhys Gourley, and I'm just going to quickly run you through my website just before we begin. There are some user flows off to the side, but we'll go through that later and just close this for now. So this is the initial landing page. When you first hit the domain, you can navigate to whichever state you want to look at. Social media accounts for the website itself, sign in, create account. You don't actually need to create account in order to use the website, but if you want to make purchases, you would have to have an account. So firstly, we'll just hit that create account form, regular things there, password, hints, so you can remind yourself of it a bit later on. If you do forget it, we'll hit that create account, success, that has been created. We'll log in using the details that we just input, sign in, and we land on the initial landing page. Before we go into that, we'll just quickly run through the navigation bar and what that entails. So for each state, they have the same options. So you got featured, discovered, concerts and venues. Next to that, you have the now playing music control bar, so whatever you listen to adds up to that, so you can check that out up here and you can see what you're actually listening to. You can purchase the album straight from there, have a look at other artists around. Next to that, we have the search field, so if you type in song, for example, the list will come up, give you a couple of choices if it's not the specific song that you wanted. If you were searching for a product, these would come up, link through to the store. Concert tickets link through the concerts page. Artist results will link through to the actual artist itself. If that wasn't what you're looking for, it'll give you a couple of ideas of something else that you might like and might want to try. After that, we have the store, cart, and user profile. Quickly, we'll just run through what each state entails. So if we hit the featured, we land on the featured page. So we have featured artists at the top here. Just got a sliding carousel through there. Featured album, you can listen to that straight away. Merch items, popular songs for that region. Just scroll through there. Some secondary featured artists and merch items. More albums, other artists in that area. It's worth noting that the artists aren't separated by genre, but more so just whoever is in that actual area and state itself. Next up, we'll go to this discover and listen carousel. Again, popular tracks within that state, featured new releases. Here we have the user social feed where users can comment on what they're listening to, recommend other users. You can pop your own in there, kind of essentially just works like a mini forum. Next, have some featured albums for that area, other artists in that area again. Okay, concerts is next. So for the concerts, you've got your featured concerts. In order to buy a ticket, you just hit the link here, select your quantity, add straight to cart, items in cart. Cool. More concerts. We have the concert calendar, just so you can get a really quick overview of what's happening within that state, within that month. If you want something a bit more detail, you can go through here for the more kind of within the week or closer dates. After that, we have the venues page. So featured venue, social links of that venue, the website, the address, comment field where users have left their own reviews. You can pop your own in again. Google Maps link so you can get a good idea of where it's actually situated. Reviews, search function, which orders just the same way as the search does before. Venues, just a list of venues down there. That's the last for the states, so we'll have a look at the store. Yeah, featured items, it doesn't really work like the other pages, it's not by state, but just nationally. Featured items, add to cart, so on. Check it out so you can have a closer look at the merch items, add to cart, so on. More merch items, featured albums there, add that straight to cart. Next we have profile, so this just works how it did at the very first landing page. I can create, sign in, go to the settings, you can change your details here, change your social media accounts, change your name, password, all that sort of stuff. Edit your payment information, so you got credit card and PayPal there. Edit your shipping information. Wish list items, you can either add that to cart or remove that from there. Purchase history, where you can re-download, rebuy, whatever you want to do with that. Last we'll go to, we'll actually make a purchase. So we have everything that we've added to the cart, which you can just easily remove from there. Order summary, okay. We'll go to the checkout. Just going over what you've got. If you want to change that again, you can go back through there. Just remove the items. Back through to the checkout. Shipping information, you can edit that again. It's all based off the information that you've given in here, but if you do need to alter that, you can just change that. Select your shipping, select payments, change that through again. Amount due, place order, success, continue shopping. The last section that we have to find is the actual profile for each artist. So whenever you do click onto an artist, you'll land on the profile page. Bit of a load there. Artist hero image, direct social links for the artist, artist biography, feed again, people are talking about the artist, so on and so forth. Popular songs, releases, the tour schedule, merch items for the artist, other artists in the area, and the last thing that we have to go through is the footer. Pretty straightforward, social links. You can contact us if you need to, submit the message, thank you message, and yeah, that is the end of it. Thank you.